Want to change the app icons on your Samsung Galaxy A17? You can do it easily using the built-in Galaxy themes. Let me show you how. First, touch and hold an empty area on your home screen. Then tap Themes. At the bottom, tap Icons to browse different icon packs. Choose an icon style you like, then tap Download. Some icon packs are free, while others may be paid. Once the download is complete, tap Apply. Your Samsung Galaxy A17 will now use the new icon style. The exact options can vary depending on your A17 software version and region. Samsung confirms that Galaxy Themes supports changing app icons, and the Galaxy A17 5G is among the devices supported by One UI 8. And that's how you can easily change app icons on your Samsung Galaxy A17. If this tutorial helped you, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Samsung tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.